Meow 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 la meow meow. Meow 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 purr. You all sound so cute, I'm almost tempted to join you in a cult following. Can I meow in Spanish? Meow 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 meow. Thanks Numtum Cat for the sub, I'm now officially fluent in Spanish. Oh CXFO, a bit of petting for me would go a long way, thanks. Meow in Japanese? Nyan 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 nya tilde. Am I evil enough to be a cat? I feel like I've been an innocent kitten, and even cats knock things off tables to assert dominance. Let's all follow me to the cult now, yeah, I'm a cult leader now. Oh thanks El White Mexicano, even a free sub means a lot to a cult leader like myself. I received the head pat, and I am not a false god, deifying a regular cat. I am a cat deifying an even more regular god. Meow and Evilise? Meow.